Hello friends, Jeanette and Diesel here of Vivo Vintage Designs. We just wanted to pop on here real quick and let you know that we have created a Facebook group called Vivo Vintage Design Tutorials so that my members and followers would be able to have a platform specifically dedicated to them where they can post their versions of my paintings learned from the tutorials, also be able to ask for advice from or helpful advice from not just myself but other members. The community is growing slowly, and I am fortunate enough to have the absolute best subscribers, always willing to help and just full of great ideas. So I hope that you will consider joining. Take a look in the description box for the link if you're interested. Also, this is where I will be providing traceable line drawings for some of my paintings so you can easily follow along. I hope that you consider joining and that I see you there. All right, everyone. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your weekend. To ask for this is not a good angle. Where am I supposed to be looking? Over here? I think so. Hi friends. Oh God. Hey friends, Jeanette here with Vivo Vintage Designs. Welcome to this quick little video. I just wanted to pop on here and let you all know that I've created a Facebook channel, a Facebook page.